To this time yesterday
Oh, yeah.
in Speedway, but check out this beautiful sunrise at the USAC building in Speedway. You're looking at gate 1 where we do have some clouds around. There was an isolated thunderstorm during the overnight hours. That was as a warm front was lifting northeast across the state. The boundary at this time is traveling over Muncie. You could see with that cloud cover where the boundary is located. Once the warm front passes, humidity levels rise. It will feel a little more uncomfortable for today as temperatures rise into the mid to upper 80s. We even have a chance of seeing near record high temperatures heading into the afternoon. The record high for the date is 89. I have a forecast high at 87 degrees. We're also monitoring the risk for strong to severe thunderstorms. There is a slight risk zone that is across much of central Indiana. Indianapolis, Kokomo, Lafayette included, where we have the orange shade over the northern third of the state. That's an enhanced risk. That is a level 3 of 5, and it's just looking more favorable for some of those strong to severe thunderstorms to develop across the northern third of the state. The main threat going to be large hail, but also strong wind gusts, and a rotating thunderstorm cannot be ruled out. Let's check in on the timeline with Futurecast. I am tracking a lot of dry time for today. We are going to have partly sunny skies. When we fast forward to the evening, it does indicate that we could have a few showers and storms beginning to fire up between 6 and 7 o'clock. So anywhere from 7 p.m. all the way until 3 o'clock in the morning, we could have some stronger thunderstorms that fire up. At 10 o'clock tonight, after 9, 10 o'clock, that's when we begin to see some of those stronger cells potentially pushing into the state, and then most of the thunderstorm activity does push out of the area between 2 o'clock in the morning and 3 a.m. We should have dry conditions for the start of the day tomorrow. 65 for the high temperature, winds out of the east-southeast. On the lighter side this morning, 3 miles per hour. Wind speeds are going to ramp up today. Could have the chance of seeing gusts up to 30 miles per hour with temperatures in the mid to upper 60s currently, rising to 81 by 1 o'clock this afternoon with high temperatures approaching 87 degrees. Normal high for the date is 73, running well above average. Again, with those breezy conditions, more humid conditions too. It could feel like the lower 90s by the late afternoon. For this evening, storm chances rise, and then we'll have mostly cloudy skies falling to 77 by 11 o'clock. Overnight low temperature 66 degrees. Heading into tomorrow, another day with plenty of dry time, but storm chances rise by the late afternoon into the evening. We'll have a high near 85 degrees. Another breezy day on tap with that risk for strong to severe thunderstorms, but it is more concentrated across southern Indiana and the southern half of the state with an enhanced risk level 3 of 5 for areas south and along I-70. Storm chances rise after 5 o'clock in the afternoon based on what we're seeing on Futurecast models. Another system we're going to have to closely watch. Now, as we head into the weekend, dry conditions are expected. We'll have temperatures falling back once a cold front passes. Highs in the mid 80s on Friday. Saturday, 75. Mix of sun and clouds on Sunday, high at 76 degrees. Temperatures are going to be in the lower 70s early next week with a chance for showers and storms. Melissa?